Hey YouTube, let's learn to play this song Hurricane by Cannons. I guess they have a new album coming up soon called, I think it's called Fever Dream. Anyways, I'll show you a couple of ways to play this. It starts in E minor. And basically he's just playing the bass notes with a kind of reverb called drip. It's like a drip effect. And the chords behind that would be E minor, G, and then there's a D stab kind of thrown in there. You don't have to put them in that frequently, but especially in the G. That's the chorus. I'm not the chorus. That's the verse. He's probably playing it up here. E minor at the 7th, G at the 12th, D at the 7th. Okay, and then the chorus is just adds the A chord. I'm coming back like a hurricane. I wanna take you higher. Play it up here. Right. Thanks for watching. Have fun playing that. Bye.